Hi, this is Mayor Bob White. Today is Saturday, June the 13th, 2020, and this is COVID-19 briefing number 20. As of today, the number of presumptive positive cases of COVID-19 in Saddlebrook is 305. During my last briefing on June the 2nd, that number was 306. So we have actually gone down one from that time period. This is probably caused by an incorrect address put into the system that was later amended to the correct one. The presumptive cases in Bergen County is 18,809, and New Jersey is 166,605. The number of deaths as a result of COVID-19 in Saddlebrook is 19. This is up one from my last briefing. Bergen County has had 1,649 deaths, and New Jersey has had 12,589. Heartfelt sympathies to the loved ones of those who have passed away, and we pray for the complete recoveries of all those who have contracted the virus. This week, Governor Murphy lifted his stay-at-home order that he issued back in March. New Jersey begins stage 2 of its multi-phase reopening plan this Monday, June the 15th, when outdoor dining will be permitted and non-essential businesses can welcome customers back inside at 50% capacity. This also includes public meetings up to 25% building capacity or 50 persons, whichever is smaller. Child daycare centers may also reopen. Hair salons, barbershops, nail salons, tattoo parlors, and other personal care businesses can reopen June the 22nd. So can pools and outdoor, non-contact organized sports. And both youth day camps and in-person summer school can operate beginning July the 6th. All will have restrictions. Parks, beaches, boardwalks, and lakes in New Jersey were already permitted to reopen. Gyms, libraries, museums, and some government offices, such as motor vehicle services, are also expected to reopen during this stage, though there is no timeline yet for those. Governor Murphy has not outlined specific benchmarks the state has reached as he gradually lifts his lockdown restrictions. Instead, he has pointed to an overall drop in the number of new cases, deaths, and hospitalizations, as well as a steady decrease in the virus rate of reproduction. The governor has also noted that New Jersey has ramped up testing and is expanding contact tracers that will allow officials to more easily track and snuff out any coronavirus spikes. I'm happy to say that yesterday, June the 12th, the Bergen County COVID-19 mobile testing unit were here in Saddlebrook. The staff from Bergen County Health Department and Newbridge Medical Center did an excellent job. Everything ran smoothly, and their staff was professional, well organized, and courteous. Thank you to them, and a big shout out to Bergen County Executive Jim Tedesco for being at the site, overseeing the operation, and lending a helping hand. 456 individuals came to the site, and over 600 tests were conducted, approximately 400 saliva tests and 200 antibody tests in a 5.5-hour period. I appreciate the hard work and assistance from members of our police department, Department of Public Works, and senior services. Special thanks to Christine Generario for coordinating with Bergen County to ensure that everything worked well. Today, the members of the Saddlebrook Volunteer Fire Department are out in their fire trucks with lights and sirens on, honoring all the Township 2020 graduates with a drive-by celebration. Thank you to Fire Chief Joe Palazzati, Assistant Chief Jason Sabani, and all our volunteer firefighters for participating in this event to make our graduates feel special. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, the school district is limited to outdoor graduation ceremonies with restrictions on the number of attendees. The school district is going to have a wave parade for the graduating classes instead of the typical in-person graduation. I again thank our amazing healthcare workers, emergency responders, and essential workers for all they've done being on the front line of this pandemic. We continue to get donations from residents and business owners that are most appreciated. Lastly, I want to commend the residents of our community for doing their parts to fight this battle against the coronavirus. We must continue to be patient and cautious as we enter stage 2 of our state's recovery efforts. Let's continue to flatten the curve by wearing face coverings, practicing social distancing, and washing hands frequently. Thank you, and God bless.